Next part of dissection of sole. Here we have cut the muscles in the first layer of sole. This is flexor digitorum brevis. This is abductor hallucis, and this one is abductor digiti minimi. We have cut these three muscles. Now here first of all we will see the vessels and nerves. This is the posterior tibial artery entering the sole, and here this artery divides into two terminal branches. This is smaller medial plantar artery, and this one is larger lateral plantar artery. Medial plantar artery is a smaller branch. It runs along the medial border of foot. It gives muscular branches to these muscles and ends here. Lateral plantar artery is a larger branch. It runs laterally, and here it goes deep to form deep plantar arch, which is seen in the fourth layer of sole. The nerve, this is posterior tibial nerve in the posterior compartment of leg. Here it divides into, this is medial plantar nerve, and this one is lateral plantar nerve. The medial plantar nerve supplies 4 muscles in the sole. 2 we have seen in the first layer of sole, that is abductor hallucis and flexor digitorum brevis. In addition to that, it supplies the muscles in the second layer, that is first lumbrical, and the muscle of third layer, that is flexor hallucis brevis. The lateral plantar nerve again it runs forwards and laterally. Here you can see it divides into, this is the superficial branch and this is the deep branch of lateral plantar nerve. Its further course we will see later. Now the muscles in the second layer of sole. The second layer of sole has tendons of the muscles in the posterior compartment of leg, long flexor tendons. This is the tendon of flexor hallucis longus, which is inserted on the distal phalanx of great toe. And this is the big tendon of flexor digitorum longus, which divides into 4 tendons for lateral 4 toes. So this is the first tendon, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. All these 4 tendons, they are inserted on the distal phalanges of corresponding 4 toes. In between this tendon, the muscles of second layer of sole are the lumbricals. They are very small in this body. This is the first lumbrical. You can see this is unipinnate, and the other lumbricals are in between. This is second, this is third, and this one is fourth. So they take origin from the tendons of flexor digitorum longus, and they are inserted in extensor expansion. The last muscle of second layer of sole is flexor digitorum accessorius. This is the muscle. You can see it arises by 2 heads. This is medial head from calcaneum, medial concave surface of calcaneum, and this is the lateral head from the calcaneum again in front of the lateral tubercle. This muscle, you can see it is inserted here on the lateral side of tendon of flexor digitorum longus. So this muscle pulls the tendon of flexor digitorum longus on lateral side so as to align its pull. As this tendon is coming from medially, if it pulls the fingers, they will go on medial side. But because of flexor digitorum accessorius, this pulling, the medial pull of this flexor digitorum longus is neutralized, and the pull is in the median plane. So these are the muscles in the fourth layer of sole along with arteries and nerve.